Now you can become Microsoft certified, that too free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. Here we'll be talking about a new opportunity, but before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Here we'll be having two simple voucher for DP 700 and DP 600. First of all, let's see what is this exam about. It's a basic associate, means a beginner level exam related to data engineer associate or related to analytics engineer associate. So both are easy exam. Do not worry, we'll cover the resource material, how you'll be getting it. First of all, let's consider how you'll be getting the certification. So first of all, you need to join the Fabric community. How to join it? You can see the sign in option. You have to simply click on it. Okay. And once you click on sign in, it will ask for your actually you need to have a Microsoft account for it. Okay, so once you sign in with the Microsoft account, it will authenticate yourself and mostly it will ask for a username to create. If you don't have a username on your account, it will ask a username. You have to mention the username and just select the checkbox and simply submit over there. So the first step we have already done. Now complete 3 modules. So if I just open over here, you can see these are the demand courses. So let me just open any of them. You can use any modules. Okay, there is not an issue. And if I just open like this also, so you can see multiple courses are there, multiple modules are there. Also, if you want to learn more, you can just click on browse all training. And here you can see multiple modules are there. From here, you need to complete only 3 modules. Okay, only 3 modules. That too must be related to data fabric, means Microsoft Fabric. They have clearly mentioned complete 3 Microsoft Learn Fabric modules. So from here, you have to just enable the filter Microsoft Fabric. Now out of 73, you have to complete all these 3, any 3. Okay, out of all these, you need to complete any 3 modules. Once you completed it, after that you have to register for a live session. Now you have to open over here. Make sure you have already created a Microsoft account. Now most of you are asking that how I'll be getting the idea how to pass the examination, certification. We are completely beginner. For that, live session is there. Here you have to simply sign in or enter an email to register. Here we are just signing in with our Microsoft account. Now once you are signed in, it will ask for your details, so you can just mention whatever your role is, whether you are a student or a project manager. Okay, you can mention your company. If you don't have a company, you can mention your university, college, and just mention your region. And if just simply click on I agree and just register for this series. So registration is successfully submitted, and here you can see the registration means the event for APAC region. APAC, we live in APAC. If you are from India, you are from Asia Pacific region. So it will be starting on 19th February. Okay. If you are from AMER region, you can just see over there. So depending on where you reside, you need to just come over here and just you'll be notified. If you have registered, you'll be notified by email and you'll be getting all the insights related to the certification. Okay. Once you have done all these things, after that, once you attend the session, all those who have attended the session, completed the modules and joined the community will receive the certification voucher on their email. Now you have to take the exam within 1 month of receiving the voucher, then only you'll be getting the passing the certification. Means voucher, once you attend the session, once you complete all these modules, everyone will be getting the certificates, but you need to complete the certification within 1 month of receiving the voucher because it will expire. Okay, so the submission period is ending on 28th of February. So hurry up and just fill this form, because if you are late, then it will become a little bit difficult. So it's very simple how to create an account. All the details are mentioned on the FAQ. If you face any issue, you can let me know in the comment section. It's 100% free basic voucher. If you're looking for a beginner friendly voucher, means certification, then go for it. It's free of cost. Okay, you can select any of these certification after you have just done all these things, registered also. Now from here you have to simply select your country. Okay, Now just select any of these, whatever you like. Okay, after that, why you want to get certified, you can just mention in your words that I am new, I am building new skills related. You can type anything over there. There is not an issue that it will just hamper your certification. Which session you did you registered, so you can just come over here and just select the session name from here, like you registered for get certified fabric analytics engineer. Like this, you can just simply mention over here which modules did you complete. So from these modules of the Microsoft Fabric, you completed get started with Copilot in BI, Microsoft Fabric, secure data. So you can mention all the things over there. And why do you feel ready to pass the exam? Because I'm prepared. Like this, you have to simply mention all these things and I agree and submit. That's all. You'll be getting the voucher. Do not worry. Just fill it, because after this, most people will make video and I think the form will be limited. So hurry up and just register the event. Thank you. Have a great day.